is figure 3, my brother. Figure 3. So if I read the question of figure 3, it's question 3. Read as follows. So figure 3 in appendix B shows a square to square transmission piece in first angle orthographic projection. Draw the given view and develop the piece. Leave your constructional lines on. The following will be assessed. The correctness 10 marks, neatness 10 marks, line work 15 marks. The total is a march 35 marks. So it's it was an assignment of a certain university. I think Posh is it. I can't remember the name of the student who sent it as this one. So let us look at this one. So this is the square to square twisted. So as far as we can be analyzing this video, I mean this given views. So this is going to be my front view. This is supposed to be my top view. The way as they are given, this is third angle orthographic projection. So here they were just starting to give you a hint. So now let's go about it using a scale 1:1. Alright, so I can start with my top view somewhere here, just a little bit somewhere here. Well, let me draw it at the back. Yes, and right here. Then from there, so I will record the dimension of 50 millimeter. Vertical going down. There's my 50 and 50 this other side. The half of 50 is 25, isn't it? So even this one 25. So there you go. You understand? Then from there I should have started with what? Then we have a square, diagonal square 20 millimeter, diagonal square of 20 millimeter. Let me put the vertical center line. So diagonal square of 25 millimeter. This one, let me open it to 25 millimeter, 20 millimeter. The diagonal square of 20 millimeter. Which is this one. So which means erase this one just a little bit from here to here. Yes. 20 millimeter. So automatically this one it will be 20 millimeter again. This one 20 millimeter again. This one 20 millimeter again. So I can draw it faint for now, but this one I can draw it dark so that I can come back and have this one dark. So if you take a closer look, they told you that one is the joint. That one is the joint, so I can have it dark from here till there. Dark. That's the joint, isn't it? and I can have a line that's going to behave like this and like this, you understand. Another one that will be like this. It's a twisted square, isn't it? Another one that will be like this, and another one that will be like this, another one that will be like this, another one that will be like this, and another one that will be like this, you understand. So now I can approach to draw the front view now. 20 millimeter. So I have this one faint. So what was the height? The height is 40 millimeter. You understand? The height is 40 millimeter off. So there is my height. And draw a faint line. You understand? So I can take this one, faint vertically down, faint vertically down, faint vertically down. You understand? So 50, which means they were not even supposed to double dimension this for us, because we know to the top and the front view they will always share the same what length. From here till there is the same, that 50. So I can have it dark here and dark from here till there. You understand? I can take this center vertically down and have my 30 millimeter ruler now to join this one with that one, this with that one. You understand? But we have some other line from your center. Let me get the exit point. So from here till right there, and from here till right there. Right, so to such an extent we were just drawing the given views. We're still drawing the given views. So what can we do now? We have to get to the true length. We have to get the true length. You understand? So I can simply do like this. Take my drawing compass. Where is it? I had it falling down. So I have to get the true length. Before I get that, let me get rid of these points. What is happening here? You understand? Because I must know the upper surface. I have to differentiate the upper surface of my square and the bottom part surface of my square. So by look, this is the front view. I mean, this is the top view. This is the what? This is the front view. By analyzing these views, you understand. But when you read the question, it was like given in first angle orthographic projection. But then in first angle orthographic projection, yes. So the arrangement views, they are actually being arranged wrongly, because on top of the top view there is front view according to what? According to first angle orthographic projection. You understand? But if your views are being arranged like this, which means they're actually talking about the what? The third angle orthographic projection. You understand? So now I'll decide to say, if they said this one is the joint, so which means I can say x is that joint that they are talking about. You understand? So I'll decide to say this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, this is my D. Then this point is going to be point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, this is point 4. A1. So the number points are actually this upper surface of my front view. So this point 1 is actually there, this point 4 it will be there in line with point 2, this point 3 it will be there. You understand? So the A it will be down there in the same point with B. You understand? And then the C it will be here in the same point with what? With point D. You understand? So the law of the law that we are going to apply here, it says when we'll be moving from an alphabet to an alphabet, we do not have to convert to our true length. A number to number, we do not have to convert to our true length. We do not have to consider the height. You understand? But if we move from an alphabetic point to a number, that's when we have to consider the height. You understand? So this is simple, straightforward. So what you're going to do, we are going to place our drawing compass at point what? At point C, further extend to point and get an arc that's going to be like this. Remember that this is the top, this is the front. Let me even write it. This is the front view, this is the top view. So we consider, or we get the height from the what? From the what you call front view. So I'll project this point coming this side. You understand? Coming this side. Once it get here, I will say this is the R. This is the R of this point that I'm about to get. This it will be the median point. So which means from there till there is the true height now. You understand? So now let's start to develop. So our development, it is to be it is to look nice when you start right opposite to the curtain plane. You understand? So I'll decide to start right here and draw a what? Horizontal faint line somewhere here. Horizontal faint line somewhere here. Faint line. Then from there I'll draw a what? A vertical center line. This vertical center line. So this one, this vertical center line, I'll say there by my top view is which one? Is this one. There you go. You understand? So now I can simply place my drawing compass at this point, further extend it to point B. Point B and C is supposed to be equal. You see that they are equal. Point C and B are not. So now I come to my development. I place it here. I mark B and I mark C. You understand? I come and draw them dark. There you go. So I can now erase this one. I don't need them anymore. This is going to be point B. It's going to be point C. A1. So after that one, now I can get what? The point 2. The distance of B2, and the distance of B2 is the same as the distance of what? Of C2. You understand? C2. So I can simply place my drawing compass at point B to 2. The distance of B2 is the same as distance of C2. Then I come to my front view R, true length I mark. You understand? After I've marked, this is going to be my B, B2 as well as C2. And I construct it to my median point. There you go. You understand? So now I take my drawing compass and place it at B2 as well as C2, and there we go, to my median point. Now without disturbing it, I come to my development and place it at B, strike an arc like this, and C, bisect that arc. You see that they are bisecting on top of the what? Of the vertical center line. So that point is going to be my point C. Then I can construct it. B2 and C2. And we can still prove that. How? We can still prove OT we are at a right track. How? By going back to our top view and place it at this point center, further extended to point 2. This is it. You understand? Huh? Accurate. Then without disturbing it, you come to your R, then you place it here, then from there you construct it. We are proving we are going to get this distance correctly. There you go. Now place it here, further extend to M. Now come place it here. We are at a right track. Do you see? Look. We are at a right track. There you go. There you go. Right. After we've gotten that, so go back to your top view, isn't it? Place your drawing compass at point 2 to point 1, and the distance of point 2 to point 1 is the same as 2 to 3. So that one we do not have to convert it, isn't it? So you come and place it where? At point 2, and strike an arc this side, also strike an arc this other side, faint like this, So now you go back to your top view. After we've gotten this arc, you go back to your top view. You place the drawing compass at point B to point 1. This is B1, and the distance of B1 is the same as distance of B2 is the same as distance of 3C. You understand? So you come and place it here. This is it. From there you go. So now I come and place it at B. Place it at B. I bisect that arc of mine, and place it at C. I bisect that arc of mine. Okay, now erase here just a little bit and construct it. There you go. And like this we can go. So I have this one dark till right there, this one dark till right there. So now I am having point 1 and point 3. You understand? After getting that, go back to your top view, place your drawing compass at point we are looking for point A now. So the distance of BA is the same as distance of BC, because of they said it's a square, isn't it? This is it. Place it at B, further extend it to A, then without disturbing your drawing compass, and you do not have to convert it, since we are moving to from alphabet to alphabet. So I come and strike an arc here, and I also strike an arc this other side, since they are equal. You understand? So now we have a B1, a C3. All together we are looking for a what? A. Go back to what? To your top view. So now place your drawing compass at point 1, further extend it to the point that you're looking for, which is point A. is this one. So convert it is still the same, isn't it? There it is. Now place it here to your million point. There it is, isn't it? Now without disturbing your drawing compass, you come to your development, you place it at 0.1 and you bisect that arc that you just got, and you do the same thing, place it at 0.3. Since they are equal to each other, you bisect that point. So I can erase this one just a little bit since I've gotten the points, isn't it? Now I can join B to A. This is going to be my point A, and I join point C to D. This is going to be my point D. Then D back to point 3 and A back to point 1. There you go. A1. So now after that one, we can place the drawing compass at point 1, further extend to point 2. There is this one, but is this one. So this is it. I come and strike an arc this other side, faint, and place it at 3, further extend it to 2, which is the same, and I strike an arc this other side. You understand? I'm looking for 0.4 now. So I'm looking for D4, and this other side I'm looking for A4. A4. Where is your top view? You have 1. We have A. I'm looking for A4. I'm looking for D4, isn't it? And which is the X. So place it at A, further extend it to 4, which is still one and the same thing. Do you see? Isn't it? Then convert it. Then from there, open it to me million point. Be accurate. This is it. Now you come to your development. You place it at A. Yeah? At A, then you bisect that arc, and you do the same thing at point D. You bisect that arc. So this one is going to be 0.4. This other one going to be 0.4. You understand? So I can have this one dark, there you go, and have this one dark, there you go, and 4 to A and D to 4. You understand? Is it complete? Since we have 4 to 4, we can say even 4 is in the same line with what? With X. You understand? So 1, 2, 3. Where is the other 4 one? Is what? Is this is going to be this one. Go back to your top view, place your drawing compass at point A, further extend it to the point X below, isn't it? So the distance of AX is the same as XD, isn't it? So like this, we are not going to convert. You understand? So you come to your development, place it here, strike an arc faint like this at A, strike an arc. Again this other side at point B, I place it and I strike an arc. You understand? So you go back to what? To your top view again. You get the distance of XX, of which is we have, and the distance of XX, it will be the same as this distance from this point to point 2, isn't it? Since these ones are in a square, we've done it. So convert it to your true length. This is it, and then from there place it here to your million point. There you go. Now from your true length without disturbing your drawing compass, you come and place it at 0.4x, then you bisect that arc of yours, and even on the other side you bisect that arc of yours. You understand? So this is going to be your point X on the bottom part, point X on the bottom part. So now there you go, and like this you go, so that now I have this one X to X and X to X, which they said is the joint. So that was it, my sister. So I'm sorry to take long, I am actually very busy. I'm sorry to take long to reply you. So that was it. Thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video you are watching at that particular time. So this is actually falling under Boilermaker Drawing PSSD grade 11 or N2 if I take a closer look, but it was a varsity assignment. So thank you very much. See you on the next video. Okay.